Have you ever opened your work calendar on a Monday morning, looked at the sea of blue and red blocks, and just wanted to scream? I did that today. I have 3 meetings booked at the exact same time next Tuesday.
Oh, the classic double booking nightmare. Yes, Jordan, that is what we call meeting fatigue. It is a very real problem, even for native English speakers.
Well, I am glad I am not alone. Welcome to Hero English, the workplace survival series, where you can learn how to speak like a pro and work like a hero.
I'm Riley, and today we are tackling a critical skill: how to protect your time without looking lazy. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to say no to meeting invites while keeping your professional reputation safe. Here is your mission for our first dialogue. Tom tries to pull Anna into a last-minute meeting. Listen closely. Anna refuses, but she never actually uses the word no. What phrase does she use instead?
That sounds impossible, but let's hear it. Let's start.
Hey, Anna, do you have a sec? I just sent out an invite for a quick sync this afternoon about the launch timeline. We really need your input on the marketing slides.
Hi, Tom. I saw the invite come through. Look, to be honest, I am completely heads down on the budget report for finance today.
Oh, right, the budget. It won't take long, maybe just 30 minutes. It's pretty critical we get alignment on these slides before tomorrow.
I understand it's urgent, but I won't be able to make it work this afternoon. I really need to protect this focus time. If you send me the deck, I can add comments asynchronously by end of day. Does that work?
Yeah, actually, that might be better. I'll shoot you the link now. Thanks, Anna.
Perfect. Thanks for understanding, Tom.
That was a masterclass in setting boundaries. Did you catch the first phrase Anna used to describe her status? She said she was heads down.
I heard that. Heads down. Does that mean she is literally looking at her desk? I usually just say I am busy.
It is a bit more specific than just busy. Being heads down means you are in deep focus mode, working intensely on one task without distractions. For example, you might say, I'm going to be heads down on this coding project until noon.
Got it. So it sounds more professional than just saying do not disturb. What about when Tom asked for a sync? S-Y-N-C.
Exactly. Async is just short for synchronization. It is corporate speak for a quick update meeting. Instead of saying, let's have a meeting, which sounds long and boring, you say, let's have a quick sync.
I like that. It sounds faster. But Riley, Anna also used a big word later. She said she would work asynchronously. That is a mouthful.
It is, but it is a gold standard word in modern business. Asynchronously, or async, means we do not need to be online at the same time. I send an email, you reply 2 hours later. It is the polite way to kill a meeting. You say, let's do this async. Now, let's look at the hero phrase from that conversation. Anna didn't just say, no, I can't come. That can sound a bit aggressive. Instead, she used a softer but firm structure.
I think I heard it. She said, I won't be able to make it work.
Close. The core hero phrase is simply, I won't be able to make it. It is perfect because it states a fact about your schedule, not a personal rejection of the person. Let's see how we use this with a boss versus a work friend.
Okay, so if I am talking to my manager, Riley, and she invites me to a meeting I really don't have time for, what do I say?
With a manager, you want to link it to priorities. You say, I won't be able to make it if we want to hit the deadline for the quarterly report.
Oh, that is smart. Remind them of the deadline. What about with a colleague like Tom? Just a neutral teammate.
For a neutral situation, you can add a reason. I won't be able to make it. I'm double booked at that time.
And for a casual work friend, like if we are just grabbing coffee?
Keep it short. I can't make it this time. Maybe next week?
Simple.
Okay, listeners, I want you to practice the professional version with me. Repeat after me. I won't be able to make it. I won't be able to make it. I won't be able to make it.
If you really want to master your calendar, Jordan, you need a few more tools in your vocabulary belt. The first one is time blocking.
Time blocking? Is that like blocking a person on social media?
Not quite. Time blocking is when you book a meeting with yourself on your calendar so no one else can steal that time. You might tell your team, I am time blocking my morning to finish the designs.
I need to do that. My calendar is open season right now. What else?
Another great one is hard stop. This is useful when you can attend a meeting, but you must leave strictly on time. You start the meeting by saying, just so you know, I have a hard stop at 3 p.m.
I love that. It sounds very firm. I have a hard stop.
Exactly. And finally, if you aren't sure if you can attend, you can accept as tentative. Being tentative means you might come, but you are not promising. It shows up with a question mark on the calendar.
Tentative. That is my life right now. Everything feels tentative.
Riley, I have a question about the culture here. In the dialogue, Anna gave a reason. She suggested an email. She was so polite. Why didn't she just say, "No, Tom, I am busy"?
That is a great question. In many English-speaking business cultures, especially in the US and UK, we value being a team player very highly. A direct no can sound like you don't care about Tom's project.
So we have to wrap the no in cotton?
Sort of. We call it the soft no. You validate the request, say you can't do it, and offer a solution. If you just say no, people might think you are difficult to work with.
I had a moment like that once. A colleague asked for help, and I just said, "No, I have no time." The room went so quiet. I felt terrible.
Yes, silence is awkward. Next time, try the sandwich method. Positive statement, the refusal, then a positive alternative. It keeps the relationship safe.
I want to listen to Tom and Anna again, but the first time they spoke so fast, I missed how Anna transitioned from being nice to saying no.
That transition is key. We are going to play it again, slower. I want you to listen for the phrase, I understand it's urgent, but... Notice how she uses the word but to pivot to her boundary.
Hey, Anna, do you have a sec? I just sent out an invite for a quick sync this afternoon about the launch timeline.
Hi, Tom. I saw the invite come through. Look, to be honest, I am completely heads down on the budget report for finance today.
Oh, right, the budget. It won't take long, maybe just 30 minutes?
I understand it's urgent, but I won't be able to make it work this afternoon. I really need to protect this focus time. If you send me the deck, I can add comments asynchronously by end of day. Does that work?
Yeah. Actually, that might be better. I'll shoot you the link now. Thanks, Anna.
We have a great question today from Marco in Italy. Marco writes, Jordan, it is easy to say no to a coworker, but my boss invites me to meetings where I do nothing. I just sit there. How do I decline an invite from my manager without getting fired?
This is the million-dollar question, Marco. The trick here is to frame your refusal as a benefit to the boss. You do not say, I am bored. You say, I want to save company time.
Oh, interesting. How does that sound in a sentence?
You could say, I notice I'm on the invite for the strategy meeting. Since I'm focused on finishing Project X for you, would it be okay if I skip this one to keep up the momentum? You are asking permission, but reminding them of the important work you are doing for them.
I see. So the formula is mention the meeting, mention the priority project, ask to skip.
Exactly. Most bosses will say yes because they want the project finished more than they want you sitting in a chair. Okay, Jordan, are you ready to test your skills? I am going to be the pushy coworker. I will give you a prompt, and you use the hero phrase or a variation to say no. Listeners, you try to answer out loud before Jordan does.
I am ready. My calendar is guarded. Let's go.
Scenario 1. I catch you in the hallway. Hey, Jordan, can you jump on a call right now to discuss the holiday party?
Sorry, Riley. I won't be able to make it right now. I have a hard stop in 10 minutes.
Perfect use of hard stop. Scenario 2. I send you an invite for a 3-hour brainstorming session tomorrow morning.
Thanks for the invite, but I am heads down on my report tomorrow. Can I contribute asynchronously?
Boom! You nailed it! Heads down plus async. You are a pro.
I feel so much more powerful now. I am going to decline so many things today.
Use that power wisely, Jordan. Remember the hero phrase, I won't be able to make it. And if you want to be softer, I won't be able to make it work this time.
Here is your homework for today. Find one meeting on your calendar that you do not need to be at, or one slot where you need to work alone. Decline it politely or add a time block called focus time.
Let us know in the comments how it felt to reclaim your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you. See you next time.
Before we go, I have to confess something about time zones. Last month, I was working with a client in Australia. They sent an invite for 9 a.m. their time.
Oh no, I know where this is going.
I just clicked accept without looking at the conversion. My alarm went off at 3 a.m. on a Tuesday. I woke up, put on a shirt, sat in the dark, and joined the call. I looked like a zombie.
Did they notice?
Immediately, they said, Jordan, why are you whispering? And I said, because my cat is asleep. Next time, I am definitely checking the time zone before I say yes.